Hey angels, so in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest and most affordable way to make a box braid wig. So this hair is actually from divatricks.com. You guys see that this is the Bobbi Boss box braid hair, and I will make sure to leave a link down below for you guys. So this hair, actually they sent like a sheen spray with it and the crochet hook. So today we're going to be crocheting this hair. This cap that you guys see I got from my local beauty supply store, but it works miracles for this technique. You can actually crochet any kind of hair on this cap. It actually has a part, but you could shift this part to the middle or side however you like. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this crochet braid in here and we're going to be actually crocheting it onto the cap. So this method is just so easy and so fast, guys. And I know you guys already know how to crochet here, so just watch this video and, you know what I'm saying, learn something new. So don't forget to check down below in the description, because I will make sure I leave the links down there for this hair. And this hair is very affordable. This hair comes in 18 inches and 24 inches. I believe the hair that I have is actually 24 inches. And this is actually plum. I will make sure I leave the color down below, but it's really like a hot pink color. So you just want to crochet this hair in like so. You want to take that hook, take it up under the neck, put that hair in, lock it in the hook and pull it through. So what I would say is that I'm doing like about 1 inch with the parting spaces, like as if you was like really box braiding somebody else's hair, because you don't want them to be too close to each other and just like start piling up on one another, and then your wig is going to look like super unnatural because it's going to be like too thick and too full. So you guys see me just working through this net, and it's going to seem at first like, man, this is bald headed and too patchy, but you'll see where I start to like fill it in. It's better to really start off with more spacing than to actually end up with too much of the hair in one area, or it just like bulking up right on top of each other. So I'm gonna let you just watch this for a second and I'll come back in where I need to. So as you guys can see, I have the hair like hanging on top of my TV. It works better if you have the hair hanging on something, because you can just move faster. So as you can see, the way I'm laying the hair, I'm laying it as if I was really like box braiding somebody's natural hair. Like, you know how you want to make sure you got like some space in there, some parts. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm spacing it out really good, just like you see. And I'm just working my way around the head from the back up into the front. So just keep doing this. If you guys have any questions, just comment your questions down below. So when you get up to the top portion of the head, you want to make sure you are laying those crochet braids in the direction that you want the hair to lay. So don't like crochet the braids and have them hanging towards the front. As you guys can see, I want my braids laying towards the side. So I'm coming off onto the side of the head and I'm crocheting it, and then I'm laying them right down flat off to the side. And I'm actually like moving these braids around and position them so I can see how they're actually laying. And you're going to have to do that while you're actually creating this unit, because you want to see where those braids is laying on top of. You want to make sure you're not creating any spaces, and you want to also make sure you're not like having 3 braids doubled up on top of each other to the point where it just looks too thick and clumpy. The whole purpose is to make it look like you really got your hair box braided. And I've got so many compliments on this unit. Everybody think like I really got my hair box braided, like wow. So as you guys can see, that left side is pretty much done, and on the right side I'm like fixing his hair. I'm just looking at it, seeing how the hair is laying, how much more I want to put in. You guys can still see the spaces there, so I went right in and filled all that in. Now I wanted to bring it up to the front so I could just show you guys how I actually do this, like part in space. You want to bring that crochet hook all the way up to the top of that part in space, which I feel like I probably could have brought it up a little bit more, but you'll see. Like, and then you want to make sure you pull those knots in that part in space tight, just to make sure it lays flat. And then I just pretty much finished it off with the Braid and Sheen spray to give it a nice shine, and of course make your part in space look more natural. Put a powder or a foundation on it, and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see the finished product, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Bye, angels. Mwah.